got a problem with our electric garage door, which is a shutter door. The control unit appears to have no power to it, there's no lights coming on. I've checked the fuse in the plug, swapped that over, and it's made absolutely no difference at all. What I've just found though is that there's an additional fuse actually within the control unit, and you just need to twist this and you can find the fuse. I've just swapped that over and replaced the fuse with a brand new one. Put the power back on, and just test it again. See, the garage starts working. So it's a very, very simple fix that's not immediately obvious.